Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Survivor.io++, the modded version of Survivor.io that gives you unlimited money and unlimited gems on your mobile device. Make sure you watch the video all the way through so you don't miss any steps. Inside Survivor.io++, all you have to do is enter the amount of money and gems you want. You can type in any amount you want, just enter the numbers, make sure the feature is enabled, and you're good to go. Once you hold down the Next button, the resources will be sent directly to your account. After it finishes, open Survivor.io again, and you'll see the exact amount of money and gems you entered added instantly. It's extremely simple, and I haven't had a single issue with it. Now let me show you how to download it. All you need to do is head to the pinned comment below. I've explained exactly where to get Survivor.io++ and how to install it safely. So go check the pinned comment, try it out for yourself, and if this method worked for you, make sure to leave a like to help more players find this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!